Are you one of those people who always have several things open on your desktop at the same time? And do you find yourself minimizing all open items one by one to get to your desktop? If that's describing you, then the Show Desktop feature is a great tip for you. The feature is so tiny that you could almost miss it. It's on the very bottom right-hand corner of the screen. When you find it, all you have to do is click on it and you'll immediately jump to your desktop. Cool. See you soon. And that's why you need Quasar, improving efficiency and effectiveness with Microsoft Office. For more information, call us now on 08458 626265 or visit www.quasar.co.uk.